So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix a blurry Instagram highlights issue. For example, if you add any of the story to the highlights, it will get blurry, or if you upload anything it will get blurry. Now in order to fix that, simply go to Instagram, click on your profile option, click on the three lines on the top right corner, and here when you scroll down you will either find the option of upload settings. Here you'll see this option of media quality. Click over there and hit on this option of you upload at highest quality, and turn off this option of use less mobile data. Now make these settings, and again if you upload anything it will upload on the maximum quality. And if it still follows the problem, simply make sure to check your internet speed and get on a stable internet connection. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.